Good morning, everyone. It is 9 a.m. I just woke up and I feel like such a mess. I got an iced brown sugar oat milk latte. It is so delish. It's honestly one of my favorite coffee orders ever. I've really been trying to not put things off until the last minute, but honestly it happens more often than not. So I'm gonna be getting a bunch of things done this weekend, so let's get started. So first I'm headed to the store. Ever since I moved, there's been a bunch of things I've been wanting to upgrade and get for my new space. I've been wanting to upgrade my bathroom towels, so I'm looking at these. I always get white. It's just so much easier to bleach them when I need to wash them. So I'm looking at these two. These look really nice. They're 100% cotton, which I love, but I also really like these. I just feel like this design is so cute, and I wanted to make sure to come in store so I could feel them. And then there's also these small towels and then the washcloths. And I love these bathroom accessories. These are so cute. Like this tray, I feel like would be really nice, but also this one, which has these two shelves. I would even just put this in my room and put my products on top. This one is also really cute though. And then these are kind of similar. I like this one also. I feel like it's more sturdy, so I'm gonna get one of these. I don't know which one though. I feel like this one looks nicer and sturdy, but this one, I just kind of like the design of more. I also really like these two to match, but I don't need these. And I also love these towels too. This striped one is so cute. So I feel like this one could be cute just to hang up in my bathroom. And I keep debating getting a fake plant like this. I love the idea of having real plants in my house, and I have a bunch, but this would just be so easy. And I really like how this one looks. Also because my cats love to chew on my plants, so this way it would be a lot better. Like, I love how these look, especially with the glass and the fake water in here. And I love these candle holders, either from my living room or even on my patio. I think this would be so cute. Actually, I might like this one even more. It's like the same idea, but this one's really cute. I don't know, I can't decide. I like both of them. This is the mouthwash I got last time, and I really liked it, so I think I'm gonna go with this one again. Wow, I've never seen refillable wipe dispensers before, but I kind of love this idea, and then you can just buy the wipes here. So I'm kind of considering getting this. It's pretty expensive. I've just been wanting to get more non-toxic cleaning products, so I feel like this would be perfect, and it's good around pets. And as I said, I have 2 cats. Same with this laundry detergent. I've heard this brand is so good, especially if you have pets. I'm gonna get the free and clear one. I'm excited to try it. Everything is very coordinated. I love it. Also at Target, I love the Korean skincare section. My favorite and most affordable brand is Haru Haru Wonder. They're having a buy one get one 50% off sale at every Target in the US through June 27th. So I'm gonna get 2 products during this sale. The first that I know I'm gonna get is the Black Rice Probiotics Barrier Essence. I've used this for so long. It's basically this milky, lightweight formula that restores and protects your skin barrier, and it makes the texture of my skin look so smooth. So it's my favorite for underneath my makeup. It gives hydration, but it's not super sticky, and it also absorbs into my skin really well and makes for the perfect base before my makeup. It just looks really clean. It has a gentle exfoliation and it evens my skin tone. And the other product I'm gonna get as part of this sale is this Black Rice 5 Ceramide Barrier Moisturizing Cream. I like using this as step number 2 right after the barrier essence. I use this to moisturize and strengthen my skin barrier. There's so many ingredients in here that soothes, brightens, and evens out my skin tone. I just love these 2 products together. It makes my skin feel so smooth and clean and ready for my makeup application. So definitely check out Haru Haru Wonder while they're having the buy one get one 50% off of all of their products through June 27th. I'll put all of the information in the description. So that was a super fun shopping trip. Honestly, I know I'm getting older when I get so excited over bath towels and laundry soap and disinfecting wipes. Like, it's a good time. I'm replacing 2 of my old towels with these 2 new ones that I just got. Would you believe me if I said these towels used to be light pink? It has been time for a while to upgrade these. I definitely used these until the very end, so now I'm gonna replace them with these nice white ones. And I'm also bringing in the mouthwash that I restocked. I love this one. And I'm also gonna do this load of laundry with my new laundry detergent. I decided to put this shelf right here. I think it's so perfect and it matches the rest of my room so well. I wanted to make it really decorative, but put a lot of my summer favorites on it. And I think with the colors and all of the decorations, it looks so good. It looks so summery. I love this area so much more. This is my dining table setup. I love this room so much. It's so cute. I love how this room is coming together. It just needs to be cleaned. I have this shelf right here that I use for all of my cat stuff, and it all needs to be reorganized. I have a rug under this table that needs to be vacuumed. There's so much cat hair. And then they also love to climb the walls to sit on the windowsill. So the walls are covered in footprints. Honestly, just this entire room needs to be cleaned. So we are gonna do that next. In my cleaning video that I uploaded last, I bought this steamer and it's been so nice to clean with, so I'm using this to clean the walls. The amount of dirt and hair in this rug is insane. And it is already completely filled up again. This is so much worse than I thought. And this is probably what I'm most excited for. So these shelves are where I keep all of my cat stuff, and it just all needs to be organized. It used to be placed really cute, and now it's just crazy. Now there's so much to organize. So I bought a couple organizers and accessories to make this entire area better. Aww, this is gonna be so cute. I did not realize I had that much cat food. That's crazy. There we go. Look how cute this is though. It's like a bouquet of flowers for cats. I think I'm gonna need a bigger shelf. And I love this packaging, but now I wish they were just in cans because I wanna just put them in here. I think I love it though. This looks so much better. It looks so cute with everything. And I'm finally done with these boxes. I also bought these new serving bowls for them. They're elevated and non-slip, which is gonna be so much better. These are gonna be so much better. They're so cute. All right, everyone, I think we are finally done in here. It looks so much better. It's always so nice to have a clean floor, but this rug was like crazy dirty. And then my entire table looks so much better. I also cleaned all of the chairs. I'm so glad I got all of this done today. I put their toys in these baskets down here, all of their food, and these are their new dishes. And this is actually catnip that I'm growing. So I wanted to put that with everything. I just cleaned that wall. That's how it gets dirty. Honestly, I never thought I would be a reader, but a couple months ago I got so into it, and since then I've read so many different fantasy romance books. It is literally like all I think about. I love it so much. I've filmed multiple reading videos on my channel, but I have never received as many recommendations as I did for this book. Everyone has been telling me to read this book since I started reading again, and I definitely see why. This book is absolutely insane. It is so good. I have never been hooked this quickly on a book ever. It usually takes me like the first 100 pages to get fully hooked, but this one, it was literally like page 5 and I was locked in. So I am so obsessed with it. I'm on page 458, so I have like 50 pages left and I honestly can't believe it. So I'm gonna be finishing this book today and picking up the next one because I know once I finish this, I'm gonna want the second one in my hand ready to go. So I am at my favorite coffee shop and bookstore today, and we are gonna finish this together. Well, you guys, I have absolutely no words. This book was such a 10 out of 10. I literally had goosebumps for the last like 40 minutes as I was finishing this book. I was literally in that cafe with tears in my eyes. I did not see this ending coming at all. It was such a shock, but wow, this was so good. I honestly cannot recommend this book enough. It was absolutely insane. Like the amount of times throughout this book that I had jaw-dropping moments and like goosebumps on every single page. I feel like in the fantasy romance books I've read so far, there's obviously a lot of filler and a lot of build up, and there's just a lot to explain and a lot of information, and sometimes that can be a little bit slow, but I did not get that at all in this book. I felt like every single page was good and interesting. I definitely have a new book boyfriend to add to my list, and this one is very good. So I picked up number 2. I am so excited for this one also. Honestly, knowing me, I just did not want to finish this book without having number 2 in my hand because I need to start this right away. I love the covers of these two so much, and I also love the dragons on the pages here. I usually am not a fan of sprayed edges. I just don't really love how it looks. I feel like it has to be very specific in order to look good, and I feel like I just see it everywhere now, but I love this. I think this is so cool. It's so cute. This book is another big one. It's over 600 pages, so it's a little bit longer than this one, but I know I'm gonna finish this fast.
I am obsessed. So I will be reading this one tonight also. I have to start it. There's no choice. I'm gonna be talking about this series more thoroughly in my next book vlog. Honestly, those videos are the ones that I get the most comments about. They are my most requested videos ever, and I am so happy about that because I absolutely love filming those. I honestly never thought I would be this into reading. I just was not a reader like at all, but these books are what do it for me. I absolutely love this genre, and I love these books specifically because I cannot stop thinking about them. This is what occupies my brain 24/7.
This video was a last-minute weekend vlog. I honestly have been feeling so productive and so motivated to put together my space, so I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I have a couple more videos that I'm posting this month, so definitely subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in my next one.